I remember 2 years back when I told my son, write A like this and practice more time to remember this. But he told me, Mama, this is standing line and this is sleeping line. I have got silent for 10 seconds. I started searching for the YouTube. I found standing line, sleeping line like this design curriculum for kindergarten, which is very easy for children. Yes, nothing has changed. The way we have, the way we have telling like this, the way we have the curriculum design has been changed. Yes. Hello all, good evening. This is Lifsa here. Today's topic is related to education policy in India. Yes, education is the most valuable asset in our life. Without education, you are zero. And everybody should have perfect education what they want their line. Yes. Let's talk about education policies. I feel that education policy of India compared to other country, it is very good curriculum and very good syllabus. There is no doubt, because you can take the ratio of the head level people, they are working in very MNC and international companies out of India. They are most are the Indians. Many Indians have established their own company and they are working in very good companies out of India. Yes, Indians are really talented work people compared to other. Sure, but I feel somewhere the education system in India need to be improved. Like when I'm going for admission of my son, I'm searching various schools and the school fees are very much in private. That to be taken care by government. The private school can make the fees from this range to this range for this class to this class. Can you imagine? So, did you study nurseries in 1 lakh? No, right? We studies our complete graduation even not 1 lakh. Yes. This is one thing need to be changed. Second thing, I feel few of these states like Bihar, UP, there education can be manipulated and the percentage can be changed, and for linking the question paper, for giving the mark, the money can be given manipulating the things where actually talented person cannot be identified. That should be taken care of by government, and that should be strict action should be taken from the education department. Third thing, I believe when I go for admission for the perfect school in UKG for my son, that time I'm confused about CBSE or ICSE because I came from completely Odia medium. So I asked my some friends, teachers, some friends are now teacher, them some relative, they told CBSE is very easy, you go for the CBSE, it will be easy for to attempt the exam. So I go for the CBSE for my son. So here is a doubt that CBSE, ICSE very different type of syllabus curriculum is there, but the people those who are no knowledge. But suppose I'm giving example, one is Riksawala and his son is very good student, so scoring well mark, so they should identify this thing. They should not have knowledge, the awareness not there, that should be there. Yes. And the last thing is that yes, the subject and curriculum is good, but when coming to the job after graduation or after master degree, there the communication, the way they are speaking, it is difficult. The English communication and the normal communication, it will be like in education system that should give some important in English also, so the student and people will be more convenience while they are giving for the interview and all. And the final thing, the new education system coming, I am still in doubting. They are telling that local language should be mandatory. Suppose those who are transferring frequently, are the kids are adopting with the local language as for the various states, then it will be very difficult for child. And the age gap has been changed. Then the existing student which already given to the admission, either any changes in that, I have doubt in this. But I hope the new policy will give some more attractive and more idea and more implemented things in India. Somewhere the many counselor, they are given ideas make off. So let's hope for the best. But this particular 4 thing need to be improvement. I hope I given suggestion. If you have any more suggestion, you can give this way. You can make our India beautiful with the education. Yes. Thank you. Bye bye.